Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable the dark mode in YouTube. So let's see how to do this. Google is rolling out a dark mode on its YouTube. Here's how to enable it. First, open any browser in your computer. Then go to YouTube. Click on the three dot icon beside the sign in option in the top right. You can see that the first option is dark theme, which is turned off. Click on this and turn on the dark theme. You can see the dark mode is enabled in YouTube. That's how you can enable the dark mode in YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.